Take a ride in the 2023 Escalade. A full-size luxury SUV, the Cadillac Escalade stands for A-list style. Thrilling, yet effortless performance combined with advanced luxury and technology that's on the leading edge of the industry makes the Escalade an easy choice. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, panoramic roof, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, integrated turn signal mirrors, luggage rack, tires front all season, tires rear all season, four-wheel disc brakes. Rediscover the joy of driving and turn everyday commutes into memorable journeys.